Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix the laptop battery that was in charge or laptop doesn't detect it. So basically, I have this laptop battery. As you can see here, it says Samsung. So basically, this battery here, it doesn't detect my laptop, so and doesn't charge. And I use this this device here, this professional laptop battery analyzer here to charge it. This device here is really good. So you can use it to charge your laptop battery or read the battery, like I'm doing here. As you can see here, this is the software for the device. So this device here, what is it doing right here is reading the battery. But before I fix the battery, this on my left hand side here, that was the battery I read with this device here. And as you can see, the difference is here. It's the same battery. See, it's the same battery. You can see it's the same battery. Before, when I read the capacity of the battery, it was, when I read it, it was completely flat, and the battery health is actually good. But now if I read it, the health is still good. And as you can see here, I was able to charge it. But I'm gonna show you how I did it. So basically, first of all, what you need to do is when in my case the laptop wasn't even actually the battery wasn't actually even power on. Without turn this button on before I will be able to read the battery. So what I did was I opened the battery up. I removed the case from the battery. This is the case right here, and as you can see, it says if you can see the voltage, the battery voltage is 11.3 volts, as you can see right there. So when I open it and I checked the voltage. The voltage was 8 point something volts. And I'm sorry guys, I was unable to show you the video when I tested, because I wasn't sure that I would be able to fix it. So this is what I did after I did the voltage. So I put this cable right here, and I put the red on the positive side, and I put the black on the negative side. Yeah, and I use my crocodile cable to connect the end of it like that. Now, so I did the same thing with the negative side, and the end goes right here. And after I done that, I used my power supply. I set the voltage to 12 volts. I set the amp to 3, because I set it to 3 volts. After I done that, the reason why I put the 12 volt, because the battery is actually 11 volts altogether. So the battery is 11 volts altogether. So, and I put 12 volts to charge it. I let it charge for about 20 minutes, and I use this cable. I use that device to read it. You can see here is 90% now. When after I read it, so when I first charging it, so on the battery current here. Now let me read it first. Let me clear the data. And so let's read it. And as you can see, it does read it. Let me read it again, and let's charge it again. And as you can see guys, and the battery current, look at the graph, where the graph is climbing, and the state of charge, it was 90%. And let's keep eyes on that. Let's see how much it's going to charge in a couple of minutes. Let's see how much it's going to charge in. And as you can see guys, already pick up 1%. After we click start charging, and I'm gonna leave it for maybe another 15-20 minutes to give it 100% charging. Before I fix the battery, I read every single thing here. I read trying to fix it before. This current was 0. This average current was 0 as well. And I can't even power. I mean, I can't even read the battery without the power 8 on. So and I also check the health. Battery health is still the same. Is the battery was good. The capacity. The current capacity was completely flat, nothing, guys. And as you can see earlier, when I go to, I can go to this tab without stopping charging, but I don't want to do that. I want to let it finish charging first before. Alright, that's it for today, guys. If you like this videos, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any comment, please put it in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as possible. Thank you. See you guys next time. Bye bye.